Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can uninstall an app from your Shopify store. Without any delay, let's start. So first of all, you can see an option here like apps. Just click here and here you will see another option, app and sales channel settings. Click on it. It will land you to the apps and sales channel settings page, and here you can see that currently we have these apps are installed. So suppose if I want to uninstall this app which is installed, I will click on uninstall button, and here you can read these paragraph, and at this position it is asking me for the reason that why you are uninstalling. This is optional. If you want to provide them the reason, you can also select any reason like not satisfied or something like this. And here is, I can write my demo, like I will write here, I'm not satisfied through this app, and here I will click on the uninstall button. So you can see that you have successfully uninstalled judge.me reviews. So friends, this was a technique that how you can uninstall an app from your Shopify store. Hit the like button if video was helpful, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.